guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can remove your nails, like how you can magically remove your nails with just two ingredients, and that ingredient is hot water and nail remover. When I fixed my first nails, I find it a lot difficult to remove until I come up with this idea to mix nail remover in hot water. Then I will soak my hand inside. As you guys can see right here, I have this hot water and the nail remover. So I'm about to soak my nails inside and leave it for as long as they all absorb into my nails, because as soon as it absorbs into your nails, all you have to do is just to help the nails to be peeling out. But be careful when you are doing that, because sometimes it's very painful. If it's not yet absorbed, it will be very painful for you. So what you have to do is just soak it there and make sure they all circulate and absorb with your nails before you'll be able to peel it off by yourself. Because if they don't, guys, like seriously, it's going to be very painful. Like it will pain you very well. When you are dragging something with your nails, it's always painful, so you have to be very careful. Like, don't mind me, guys, I'm used to hot water, so you see it's not even like it's very hot today, guys. Like I can say it's very hot, but because I'm used to it, that is why you see when it hurts me a lot, I like to bring out my hand out if I can remove the ones that have already absorbed. So, and to God be the glory, yes, I was able to remove the ones that are already melting, because once it absorbs, it will melt the glue inside and it will be very easy for you to remove. As you can see, it's just for you to hold the end, and the end of it will stand up just like that. So yeah, guys, so this is the process that I'm going to do in all of them, just to make sure that they all come out without hurting me. Like, guys, I carry my nails every week. I don't have one nails for about a month. No, I don't like it, because I'm kind of person, since I started fixing my nail by myself, I now form the habit of like to change it whenever I want, not having something that will keep me down or tie me down for one whole month. Okay, yeah, as you can see, they are no longer much. It's just only to this side and to the other side. So that's how I do it, and as you can see, it's very easy. The water is still hot, like it's still hot. I just finished boiling it. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, guys, so as you guys can see, it's all finished. Only this one remains, and yeah, I'm done. So yes, you see, you can even achieve this goal in 3 minutes, in 5 minutes, in 4 minutes. You can achieve it depending on how hot your water is, can detail how fast it will be. So because my water is very hot, that was why it was able to peel all of them off. As you guys can see inside there, I have no more nails. Yeah, you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on the notification bell, like and share my video. Until my next video, and I can't wait to see each and every one of you. Bye.